Hello Amazon.com, I am here in Mongolia. It's me, Bo Shevasu. Today, I am standing in front of a mighty warrior, Genghis Khan himself. I want to talk about this rash guard. Now, we teach a Christian self-defense fight system, emphasizing Brazilian Jiu-Jitsu. And so when we do mission work overseas, we like to be branded, specifically with the country itself. So this is a transparent PNG file that I just uploaded to this listing right here, and the quality is absolutely incredible. And then also you can see the back. This is also a transparent PNG file as well, and I just positioned it however I wanted to on the back of this. Now, as far as sizing goes, I like my rash guards to be a little loose. Some people like them super tight. This is an extra large. I am 6'1", 170 pounds, and you can see how this fits. And I was actually just sparring, doing some grappling earlier today before we came and saw the mighty warrior himself.